Pinky Pinky பண்ணுங்க.
Okay.
Inky
Inky
Pinky.
கொஞ்சம் difficult தான்.
இல்ல, whichever exercise you are comfortable, you do.
These two little difficult. Next, ma'am.
Bell and Aarti.
Yes. Bell in one hand and Aarti in other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next hand. Repeat.
Reverse.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Change hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Next, ma'am.
இட்லி தோசை is there. இட்லி தோசை இருக்கு, ட்ரை பண்றேன். இது பண்ணுங்கம்மா, பண்ணுங்க.
Okay. This one hand like this and other hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, 1, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Okay, yeah. Okay. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change.
அடுத்து ட்ரை பண்றீங்கம்மா?
சொல்லுங்க.
இட்லி
okay.
தோசை.
Idli and dosa and bell one hand in bell. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 next side. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Next hand. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and those in head and
இட்லி on the belly.
idli belly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
இன்னொரு கை.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next change.
Good morning. Happy morning.
Happy morning.
Manina.
Happy morning to everyone. Good to see. Can you hear me?
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram, namaskaram.
Happy morning, Mani.
Happy morning, happy morning. So one small request to everyone. So those who are on screen, so those who have unmuted their videos, always remember you are in a landscape mode, because when we are into this effective public speaking, so that is what we teach as a first lesson. So because tomorrow you are going
Happy
to
morning,
train the other people.
Anna, we cannot see your video.
Hope it's clear now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I'm asking those who are into that vertical mode, mobile. So please turn your mobiles into a horizontal mode. So that is the first thing. So when you want to become a trainer or when you want to become a coach, so when you are on screen, always this should be the first lesson. So especially the Tanu Lakshmi ma'am and Galaxy, Vijay Lakshmi ma'am, I think. Ma'am, you should turn your mobile, Tanu Lakshmi. நேர கிடையாது, இப்படி கிடையாது. No. Vijay Lakshmi ma'am, so you should keep it like this. Not straight. Mobile ni ila bettandi.
How?
Mobile ni ila bettandi. Straight ga kaadu.
Horizontal.
Horizontal.
Cross gana?
Okay. Now it's
Horizontal.
okay. Now it's
Horizontal.
okay. Now it's okay.
La. So don't.
Antenna.
Yeah, ante.
Okay.
Even for the gopis are also. So this is the first lesson when you come on the screen. So always remember, that is the professional way of teaching others. Because especially when you are into the global screen, if you want to be in a global screen, definitely you should be in a horizontal mode or a landscape mode. Then only people can see from any screen. In the screen, it should be in a perfect fit. If you are straight, your both left and right should be cut. It should be an empty. You can be visible as a black. If you want, go back to our YouTube videos and see, look at yourself, how your video would be. So do you want yourself to be on a smaller part or a bigger spot? So decide yourself. So this is the first thing, the visibility, appearance, we call it appearance is always a good impression. First impression is the best impression. So why the people have said like that? Because it creates some impression. So being a trainer, tomorrow if you want to start your own group, the first impression which you create is by having a proper screen. So even the reason why I am having this background screen also, sometimes you may be having feeling that I don't want to show my home and all. So if I don't have an issue, because the reason why I am showing these things and all, techniques and all, so that tomorrow if you wanted to make it more professional, you can use such kind of options. But if you want to use this option, you cannot do it in mobile except in iPhone. Normal Android phones, we cannot do this one. Only in laptop or PC we can do this thing, so that our background will be cluster free. So these are all kind of simple things where you, as a trainer or as a coach, you should learn all aspects. That is what we call 360-degree learning. So it's not just I know how to teach, so I know all the brain gym. So learning everything is end of gaining the knowledge. That's it. Nothing else. But when you convert, when you apply that learning and convert that knowledge into a skill, then you are known as skilled person. Gaining a knowledge is different from a skilled person. And if you don't apply the knowledge and do some, excuse me. If you don't apply the knowledge and do something using that knowledge, then you are, excuse me, then you are known as unskilled person. Having a knowledge is different, and using that knowledge, applying that knowledge in a proper way and become a skilled person is different. And when you practice it on a daily basis to strengthen your skills, then only you will become a talented person. Only the talented persons will become the great over a practice by making a progress. That is how a successful people works. So tell me now, do you want to gain the knowledge? Do you want to become a successful people, skilled persons? Do you want to become an unskilled persons? Do you want to become a talented persons? Do you want to become a great people, or do you want to become a successful people?
Successful people.
Then you have to follow
Successful,
all the
yeah.
steps. You need to come onto the
Okay,
screen.
sir.
You need to practice it daily. That is the reason why the first 10 minutes we are giving it for you people. Successful people don't look for an opportunity. Successful people always grasp their opportunity. They're eager to get their opportunity. They don't wait for the opportunity. They'll take it. They'll grasp it. Yes, I'm ready to do it. So that is the reason why we always used to say, because you are the successful people, even the 1,000 miles start from the single step. Yesterday, I was taking a session for a new Rotaract club. So there was one of my old friends. So we've been friends for more than 12 years. So now she's into Andhra, so coastal side. So she started a Rotaract club. Rotaract club is a part of Rotary for a college students. So since they are a new people, so these college students will have more zeal. So they want to give back to the society, but they need a proper guidance. So that is where they were looking for some person who is into this ground level social service. And so she nominated me that I can interact with them for an hour. I was telling them the same thing. So I was mentioning about our Empower Learning School. So I was telling that if you want to become successful, if you want to become a good volunteer, so you should be in Empower. So it's not like EMPOWR, it is MPOWR. So Empower is nothing but making yourself powerful. So always you should feel that you are powerful. So I gave them the formula, like how empower means. M means manage yourself. Always people says that I cannot manage him, I cannot manage my time, I cannot manage this thing, that thing. You cannot manage anything. Nothing is in our hand. You can manage only one thing, which is nothing but none other than you. Manage yourself first. Don't try to manage anything or anyone. You cannot manage anyone. You feel that I'm managing. It's just your assumption or perception. I'm managing my husband, I'm managing my wife, I'm managing my kids, I'm managing my family, I'm managing my team, I'm managing this world. Everything we are assuming. That's it. We are managing ourselves. That is why I always used to say, in Vedas used to say, if you want to succeed, first succeed yourself. Don't try to succeed others. So managing self is the first quality. And when you come to the P, if you want to manage self, you should possess the one of the beautiful trait is nothing but passion. So when I joined my company, so the tagline of my company is passion makes a difference. So till then, I heard only one word, passion, which is nothing but the fashion which we know. Or the second thing are fashion TV. That is what I know till the 21 years. So when the people used to say fashion, fashion, I was used to think of what is this fashion. Always they used to say passion to make a difference. What fashion? This is a software company. They are talking about fashion, and then they told in the induction training, we will be having an induction training, which means that the starting training, they will be talking about a lot of things. Then they say that wherever you are good at, so whichever you are good at, that is your passion. Wherever you like to do, you forget everything. You give your complete efforts without expecting anything. That is what your passion. To identify my passion, it took a lot of time. So it's almost took 2 to 3 months of time. And then I realized that yes, volunteering is my passion. Helping others, teaching others is my passion. So that leads me to the various aspects, volunteering across the nation, and then decided to move to an NGO sector and then move to my native, and then realized that, yeah, psychology makes a lot of difference, and took into the psychology as a core subject, and I'm into this research and all. So now it's just because of that passion only. Now we have this 5 a.m. club, 7 p.m. and now 6 a.m. clubs, and Empower as it came just because of that passion. That drives me. So that is very, very essential. And when you come to WO, Empower, third letter WO. WO stands for overconfidence. People always say, don't be overconfident. But remember one thing, if you want to volunteer, if you want to make a difference, having a confidence on yourself makes you believe that you can do something. But having a overconfidence that somebody is coming to you believing yourself, they have a confidence on you, they are trusting you that you can help them, which means you should have a overconfidence that you can help them from your end. So that is very essential. And when come to W, it's a willpower. You should have the willpower. It's not the strength, it's a willpower. Anything, you should have that willpower that you can make a difference. You can do anything. And come to E, you should have an empathy. You should be educated yourself that why you are doing. You should have a complete awareness by answering the questions why, what, where, when, who, how. If you know the answers for all these things, you will have an empathy, not the sympathy. Don't do anything for the sake of sympathy, for the sake of kindness. Ayyo, power. If you show the sympathy, everyone will start cheating you. If you have an empathy, you will be educated. You will have a complete awareness. And finally, R is nothing but always be reachable to the people and reflect yourself. Don't be like a boss sitting on the, what is that, king's simhasanam and order the people. Come to the people, understand the people, and be into their situation. Try to understand them. Then only you can help them. So this is nothing but the empower, and I want each and every one of you to become empowered persons to make a difference. And I think we are done with the time. So it's already 5:32. I think we can move to our task if you don't have any other doubts. Shall we?
Yes.
Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for joining today's
Yes, sir.
brain gym.
Yes, sir.
Remember, tomorrow we have
Thank you,
a
sir.
discussion time.
Thank
So
you.
please be ready with your questions. Ma'am, hope you are doing good. Vijayalakshmi ma'am. You are on mute. Do you still have the
Yeah,
symptoms?
Yeah,
same position. Same position, sir, but not report not yet kept.
Okay. So please take care.
Same, not getting smell, not getting some tastes are not knowing, and little cold.
Okay, even though you are in home, just use the mask, safer side. So always try to maintain the distance and don't use the common things actually. Okay, that's better till you get the things. Anyhow, we'll be allowed to take only the home isolation or home quarantine. That's it, because you don't have any other symptoms. That is the only suggestion So as per my view, so because I've been into this COVID warrior, right? So most of the doctors now, since most of the hospitals doesn't have the beds and also they suggest if people doesn't have symptoms, they suggest them to go for a home isolation. So please ensure if you have the facility, you can. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
So
Thank
see you
you.
at
Thanks,
task and so those who are interested, they can join the chakra healing meditation by 6 o'clock. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Evening,
madam.
Huh?
6 o'clock in the morning.
6 o'clock. Morning.
Morning,
6 o'clock
morning.
Today itself.
Yeah, every day.
Say this one only. Zoom
Yes,
ID.
Yes.
Same idea. Same
Yeah.
idea.
No. I will be sharing a different idea.
Okay.
Thank
Send
you.
sir. Send.
Yeah.